Hi dear friends, today I'm going to talk about loving your body. You see, when you feel the need to eat a certain food, you think that body somehow communicates with you, huh? Well, this is what they told us, but in reality it's not true. This is like a drug in our body, and this addiction wants us to eat a certain food, and also the program in us, and also advertising. When you stop eating a certain food, the three stages are the most noticeable. So this is, of course, after 3 days, after a week, and a month. Can take also from 1 or 2 years, and that's why you need to work on yourself so that you quiet your mind, that you are in charge what you will eat and when. You need to stop thinking over and over so that you can make better choices, okay, for the food you eat. And if you are giving up, of course, a certain food, the body can look also more skinny. And as I can see, the socially is not so good accepted or not. That's why it's not so easy for me and for people the same as me. Because in the past I wanted to make many changes, and well, my ego needs to adjust, but this is lifetime work on yourself. So more we will do in this lifetime, less we will have left for next lifetime. So, but I can tell you, if when you are in love and when you accept really yourself, doesn't matter how you look, everyone will accept you. This is the truth, because you can see just your reflection. I have given up so many addictions just in order to be healthy. And of course, more healthier you are, more you realize what the health really is. So that's why even now, which for others I'm the most healthy, I know that I could be even more. And emotionally it's not so easy. I maintain a certain level of consciousness so that I can eat to have a little fat, okay, to look better, and that it's easier to live among other people, and that my needs, emotional needs, are satisfied, because, see, that I can satisfy my ego so that he can get these pleasures, okay? I went even further in my past, but well, it is easier like this. So I just want you to be more conscious, so with many exercises, okay? In my past videos, okay, I will give you one here, that you maintain a certain level of consciousness, that you can make really good choices what you are feeding the body, so that it will be the less consequences, okay? So you can stay happy, healthy, and calm, relaxed, okay? That your life is somehow balanced, okay? So That's why I wish you the best health as possible, and of course I also have written something below in the description that you can read slowly, and it's a little bit better written than said, okay? So thank you very much for being with me. I hope you enjoy, and well, see you next time. Please share and subscribe to This Is My Love. See ya. Bye bye. Love ya.